Hi guys, welcome to Pretentious Movie Reviews. This week's movie is... The problem with Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge is that the title is a spoiler. You can't put the plot summary of the movie in the name of the movie.
At least add a question mark. You're like,
Yeah.
ले जाएंगे?
ले जाएंगे, ले सकते हैं?
ले सकते हैं?
It's not like हम आपके हैं कौन. That leaves some mystery.
कौन है? Is it the dog? Is it Salman Khan? Let's see in the end.
रफी हमसे दोस्ती करोगे?
It's like calling Shawshank Redemption Andy Dufresne Escapes. The Bollywoodness of a film or Bollywoodity can be expressed clearly on a scale of Gangs of Wasseypur to DDLJ. This is Kaho Na Pyar Hai, this is Kamine, and this is Krish 3. Also, ship of thesis. The film's protagonist is Raj Malhotra. Raj Malhotra is the most Bollywood name after like Prem. Chopra Saxena.
The female lead in the movie is Simran, who is played by Kajol.
In conjunction with Unibrow.
Not saying anything, but unibrow.
We're nobody to judge people on their looks.
Clearly.
But Unibrow.
आँखों की खिड़की पर एक साया सा लहराता है.
We're not saying that she needed to get rid of it. In fact, it's great that she did not, and the filmmakers didn't do anything about it, and we respect that and their decision to respect the natural beauty of women until we saw this deleted scene.
अरे फिर स्टीम ले रही है? अरे मैं पूछती हूँ तुझे क्या जरूरत है अपना रंग साफ करने की? और साफ हो भी गया तो तुझे कौन सा क्वीन एलिजाबेथ बनना है? अपने देश ही तो वापस जाना है ना? वहाँ गेहूं जैसा रंग बहुत पसंद करते हैं, जैसे तेरा है.
Actually, rice is a rang pasand hai.
It's so amazing that they had to not only address her complexion in actual life, not in the movie, but in the movie make her try to fix it.
तो तुझे कौन सा क्वीन एलिजाबेथ बनना है?
Just a sad thing, straight steam inhalation does not make you fair. It just makes you look like a momo.
I don't understand why they deleted that scene.
Don't you?
किसी दिन मुंह जल गया ना तो दुनिया तो मुझ पर ही नाम धरेगी.
And her mom is like, listen, I am white and you're not.
Yeah.
But don't worry, that's why we're going back to India.
मैंने तो रूज कभी लगाया ही नहीं. जब कहीं जाना हुआ तो चुटकी से गाल मसल लिए यूं बस हो गए लाल लाल.
Anything? Kajol is trying to convince her dad to let her go on a Euro trip.
बाबूजी मुझे अकेले कॉलेज नहीं जाने देते. वो मुझे यूरेल पे कहाँ जाने देंगे?
And this scene is very important because it shows how you ask your Indian parents to let you go anywhere.
The process is very complicated because the standard response of your parents to anything that you ask is no.
The structure of power in your Indian home is like this.
Mom, Dad, Sanskar, Bhagwan.
Logic. So if you're an Indian kid and you want to go somewhere, these are the steps you can follow to convert that no into a yes. Step number 1.
Approach your mom. She will usually give passive-aggressive responses.
यूरोप?
जी
दोस्तों के साथ?
जी
1 महीने के लिए?
जी.
वेरी गुड. चुटकी जरा डॉक्टर अंकल को फोन कर बोल दो कि हमारी सिमरन बिल्कुल पागल हो गई है.
Hey Ma, can I just go out to Rahul's house?
हाँ जाना.
अच्छा.
चल उसके बाद मार्स भी चलते हैं. उसके बाद जुपिटर भी चलते हैं. क्यों नहीं? चल हर जगह चलते हैं बेटा.
Why can't you just say no? Mom will usually defer responsibility to dad.
मैंने तो कोई एतराज नहीं करना. इजाजत मिलनी है उनसे. वो रात को आए तो पूछ लेना बस.
This is where it gets tricky. 2. Approaching dad.
Before you approach your dad, you have to prove your worth as a child.
To do this, you have to do things that your dad thinks are good qualities in a child, which can only be either studying or puja.
Or both.
Now, it's important that your dad can see you doing these things, otherwise, what's the point?
Good boy. Nice values.
जय जगदीश हरे.
When your dad sees you doing all these things, you get an emotional window of about a minute. In that, जो मांगा वो मिलेगा.
मैं आपसे कुछ मांगूंगी तो आप दोगे?
जो मांगना है मांग बेटा.
मुझे यूरोप देखना है.
At this point, mom will notice that something is happening and she'll be ready to diffuse the situation with chai.
If things turn out positively, then you have chai and success. Otherwise, dad gets angry like, चाय तो पी लो. नहीं, चाय पी लो. पहले चाय तो पी लो.
जा. जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
If none of this works, then go anyway. Fuck them.
मामूली सा बहाना नहीं बना सकते. अरे यार.
A lot of this movie is about Hindustan.
हिंदुस्तान.
हिंदुस्तानी.
हिंदुस्तान.
मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी हूँ.
हिंदुस्तानी
हिंदुस्तानी फिर एक हिंदुस्तानी ही एक हिंदुस्तानी
हिंदुस्तानियों
हिंदुस्तानी हम तो हिंदुस्तान को अपने दिल में लिए घूमते हैं.
You are not only genius, you are indigenous.
This movie was targeted specifically at the NRI audience, so much so that the original hero was supposed to be Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise was supposed to be Raj Malhotra.
Hey, hey, hey.
पर वो कैसा लगेगा?
जी मैं आपसे कहने की
It's basically a lot of NRI nostalgia. Amrish Puri is in London and he's like, man, I miss India.
हमारा कल्चर.
Hey, if you like India so much, why did you leave? This is the problem with NRI nostalgia. He was a dukanwala in India. He went there, he wanted to be international dukanwala so he can make money for his family. If you go there and the country gives you everything you wanted, which is money, that's the only thing you wanted. Don't be like, oh, this place sucks.
NRIs, see, you can't be likable at both places. ठीक है? Your name starts with a non.
All NRIs just love complaining about how much India is better than where they are.
भाई जिसे गंगा नदी से प्यार हो उसे थेम नदी से क्या लेना देना.
Come here and do kheti, you know that?
Like Interstellar में
हाँ.
जब वो फंस जाता है 5-dimensional space में,
हाँ.
he can't complain कि वो 3D कितना मस्त था.
He meets all the other 5D beings. Like, हम रहते यहाँ हैं, लेकिन हमारा दिल 3 dimensions है.
You are not only genius, you are indigenous.
DDLJ set the benchmark of romance for 10-15 years to follow.
And if you look at Shah Rukh's game plan to hit on Kajol, that explains a lot about India right now.
प्लीज लीव मी अलोन.
But they're stuck in a room. So he's like brow उसके face में डाल रहा है.
Excuse me. ये
Very first thing he tries.
तेरे face पे तेरा चड्डी डालेगा कैसा लगेगा तेरे को?
Second thing he tries is this. So romantic. So much romance. It's amazing that if you smoke cigarettes in a movie, they put a warning immediately, but for creepiness, no warning. There should definitely be a creepy warning.
All creepiness in this video has been performed by professionals. Please don't try it at home.
Please. This creepiness was allowed to continue unchecked for 19 years, and look what happened, guys. Splitsvilla, Dare to Date, Roadies.
This is our advice to women. Next time when a guy creeps you out, please understand he loves you.
And he's seen DDLJ. And we're sorry.
We're really sorry
Thanks, DDLJ.
for teaching all Indian men how to talk to women.
मेरी उंगलियों में कुछ अजीब सा जादू है.
DDLJ is popular for its happy ending.
जा सिमरन जा.
Everything works out for everyone. Everybody's crying in the end, they're clapping in the theater.
Yeah.
But is it really that happy? We're gonna explain to you how everybody is sad at the end of DDLJ. Dadi thinks she's gonna die in one day, so she wants Simran to get married on that day.
मैं सिमरन को दुल्हन बने देखना चाहती हूँ. ये ना हो कि उसकी शादी से पहले ही मैं.
What happens on that day? Simran runs away, and therefore Dadi dies unhappy. Great job, guys. Secondly, Preeti. Preeti thought she was gonna get engaged to Shah Rukh Khan. In fact, his dad said yes.
अभी मैं और राज तुम्हारे बारे में ही बातें कर रहे थे.
So what happened in the end? He says bye, मैं जा रहा हूँ on a train.
मुझे माफ कर देना प्रीति.
Sir, Bua, single her whole life,
मेरे लायक इस पिन को है ही नहीं.
meets Anupam Kher. She literally gives him her flower.
आपका फूल रह गया.
शायद आप ही के लिए गिर गया था.
Then what happens?
Anupam Kher leaves without her, not even a goodbye.
Sir! Kuljit, who's a nice guy, drinks beer with his friends and likes to hunt. What happens to him? He gets beaten up, cheated on, and finally left on a train in front of his friends and family. Wow! Sir! Most importantly, the saddest of all is Kabutars in London who have all died of starvation because Amrish Puri left them. Kabutar! Dead. The only two people happy at the end of the movie are Raj and Simran. And for how long will they be happy? They've never had a real conversation which is not about सुनो ना प्यार.
सिमरन, मैं थोड़ा सा पीने जा रहा हूँ अभी.
क्या?
अपने दोस्तों के साथ.
पीने जा रहे हो तो फिर खाना कौन खाएगा?
खाना तुम खा लेना और कुत्तों को खिला देना. तुम
कुत्तों को खिला देना.
हाँ.
हेलो, मैंने कुत्ते के लिए खाना नहीं बनाया है.
अबे
तुम्हारे लिए खाना बनाया है.
सुनो ना.
तुम एक कुत्ते ही हो, लेकिन खाना बनाया मैंने. Eat the food, हाँ?
नहीं,
मैं पूरे दिन क्या करती हूँ?
मैं 6 महीने से
मैं खाना बना रही हूँ.
6 महीने से घर का खाना खा के पक गया.
पक गया. ओ, cool. तो मैं तो पका रही हूँ खाना. Why don't I just throw it?
अरे
हाँ?
यार!
Why don't I just make? मैं अपने आप को like sacrifice करके I'll just
तुमको
jump
दिन भर
inside.
सुबह से उठ के खाली प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें करना
तो
रहता है.
obviously that's the kind of girl I am. तुम्हें पता
मेरे
नहीं
पापा
था
के
क्या?
पैसे से पूरा घर चल रहा है.
हाँ तो that's because you don't have a job, stupid. कॉलेज में फेल हो गया है. बड़ा उखाड़ने आया है।
सुनना,
हाँ
सुनना,
क्या
मैं
क्या
जा
बोलना
रहा हूँ,
बोल।
मैं जा रहा हूँ,
नहीं जा रहा है
मेरे
तो
दोस्तों के साथ
कहीं
पीना
नहीं जाएगा।
है,
If you walk out of this
पीना
room,
है।
if you walk out of this room, I left my marriage.
यार, तू-
I left my marriage for you.
Oh.
हाँ, I left my
हर बार,
marriage. For,
every time.
Because
No,
every time
every
you
time.
forget that I left my
नहीं,
marriage,
नहीं,
I
नहीं, नहीं.
sacrificed so much. You didn't sacrifice
नहीं,
shit. Degree भी नहीं
Every
है.
time.
खाना भी नहीं खाता घर पे.
Every time
Every
तेरे को
time.
यही
You
पे आके
stop
पहुंचना।
saying every time.
तेरे को कौन
क्या?
बोला था ट्रेन में चढ़ने के लिए?
मैं जा रही हूँ कुलजीत के पास. Hey, you're not only genius, you're an indie genius.
Oh my god.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We really appreciate it. If you have any other suggestions for movies you'd like us to review, please leave it in the comments below and we shall do so. My name is Karan.
This is Biswa.
Since DDLJ is so beloved, we were like, we would be remiss to not include an actual review in this film. So we called up our friend Anupama Chopra and asked her to say a few words about DDLJ. Unfortunately, we could not understand any of the words, but here was what she said.
Hi Kanan and Biswa. DDLJ told Indians that an Indian is a hybrid who easily enjoys the material comforts of the West and the spiritual comforts of the East. In the push and pull of a liberalized economy, this synthesis was a comfortable answer. You didn't have to choose between the two. The twain could meet without friction or confusion. So Raj, in his Harley Davidson leather jacket, is a conformist, and Simran, despite the occasional miniskirt, is a virgin. Like fusion clothes and fusion food, DDLJ presented a fusion lifestyle.
अबे, ये डिक्शनरी नहीं है.
Oh shit.
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है?